The trade report basically gives a synopsis of trade statistics for a given month, because you look at all the products which were imported and those that were exported. So basically just to give a picture in terms of how we are faring when we talk about trade in general. So in short, that's what the statistics are all about.
Why did Namibia Statistics Agency choose Vaseline, and how did NSA come to this conclusion?
Yes, for the May 2025 Trade Statistics Bulletin, we chose, the NSA chose to focus on petroleum jelly, or Vaseline in other words, just to deliberately sensitize the current and aspiring producers and businesses that there is a huge demand for this product in the market, especially in the Namibian market, and that is not matched by both domestic supply and imports. So basically this, for us, it presents an opportunity to producers who can fill this gap. And additionally, the focus was also necessitated by seasonality, considering that we are now in winter and there's a need to evaluate Namibia's dependence on imports of products affected by seasonality adjustments.
The Namibia Statistics Agency's trade data stated that so far we have only exported 3,100 worth of Vaseline and imported Vaseline worth of 4.9 million. And why is that the case?
The 3,100 worth of exports were mostly exported to Greece and the Cayman Islands, and this was a small figure indeed when compared to imports valued at 4.9 million. The small value of exports basically implies that Namibia does not produce this product in large quantities. Additionally, the exports observed here was just a once-off transaction. So it's for that reason that we sensitize producers out there about this anomaly situation that would want ideally to be addressed going forward.
Can you just please give us more if Namibia make its own petroleum jelly, or do we only buy it from other countries?
So we have indicated that we make petroleum jelly, but it's in small quantities.
Any advice for local businesses looking to enter the petroleum jelly market?
The advice is basically from our side, we provide statistics so that at least it provides the basis for evidence-based decision-making. So basically, for prospective businesses or producers out there, they should analyze the market considering domestic demand and production versus the imports. So is to establish the shortfall, because the shortfall is the key determinant whether they can get their return on investment. And since Namibia's export figure is very small, is marginal, so investors can also consider seeking external markets, especially since the country is now trading under the African Continental Free Trade Area. And see, with the African Continental Free Trade Area, you talk about a big market for about 1.7 billion people and about 55 countries. So it is basically the largest free trade area in the world, both by area and by number of countries.